Public speaking is something many people will need to do at least occasionally in their lives, whether it is a one-sentence comment or a longer speech. Yet for many, there are roadblocks that can make it very difficult, even terrifying, to speak in front of a large audience. This series will present some useful, bite-sized tips that anyone can use to improve your public speaking, wherever that may be. It is hoped that it will help you gain confidence and improve your overall experience. Poor enunciation is one thing that can make your speech harder to understand and can also make you sound less knowledgeable about what it is you are talking about. While it may be a part of a character's style when acting in a scene, if you're giving a regular speech, you want to be as clear and clean in your speaking as possible. In broadcasting circles, poor enunciation is often referred to as lazy mouth. We tend to develop bad habits in our everyday speaking, which may be fine among friends, but when giving a speech, it can sound bad. Here are some examples of common lazy mouth. 20, when you mean 20. Little, when you mean little. You're, when you mean you're. You're, when you mean you're. Or fur, when you mean for. Try to form the words you are saying carefully and precisely. Practice speaking slowly and distinctly. As you become more comfortable enunciating the words, you can increase the speed at which you speak until you can easily speak the words clearly at a normal speed. Do this often enough and you will find it becomes habit. And you won't have to think about it. You will just do it. Next episode, we'll talk about people from other lands. Hope you found today's public speaking tip useful and inspiring. The best way to make use of this tip, and to get better at public speaking, of course, is to just do it. Practice, practice, and practice.